So today I did a really glowy look, not too much focus on the eyes, but it's just very nice and girly. I really like how it turned out. It's very glowy, very summery, and the foundation I used is very light coverage, but I spot concealed, and I love wearing this on just like really light makeup days or days where I know I'm not gonna be dying of sweat, and it just tends to look good all day. So this is the look I came up with. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see next. I'm planning on doing a glowy foundation routine that's full coverage at some point when I get the time, and also this editorial like burgundy kind of look featuring like the KKW Argenis, the burgundy stick for your eye, and I'm really excited about that. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching.
So I'm first taking a sip of my green tea in my mid-noon mug. I'm really cool. Then taking my Makeup Forever Step 1 primer in the mattifying version, and I'm rubbing it into my nose and cheeks until it gets tacky, so that my makeup stays on all day and that I don't get too oily. And then I take my MAC Next to Nothing face color in the shade Medium Dark, and I'm taking a little on the back of my hand and then using my Sigma Flat Top Kabuki to buff it into the skin. And I'm really pouncing it where I need a little bit more coverage, but I'm really trying to blend it out more with circles. And then later I'm going to go in with my beauty blender and build up the coverage a bit. But I'm just continuing with that all over my face, making sure I get everywhere. Now I'm taking my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Biscuit, and I'm concealing my dark spots with that. Just putting it everywhere I have a dark spot, and then blending it out with my e.l.f. concealer brush. And I'm just blending it out softly so the color stays. Now I'm taking my KKW liquid concealer, and I just got this and I love it so far. It looks so good underneath my eyes, and I'm in the shade number 8, and I'm just highlighting my face with it and concealing my under eyes. Then I'm blending it out with my beauty blender. I'm going to set it with my NYX banana powder, which will help brighten and set the under eyes. I'm going to go in and cream contour with my KK Beauty contour stick in the shade Dark 1. I'm contouring everywhere I want to recede on the face, which will be underneath my cheekbones, my chin, and my forehead. And I'm blending it out using my Makeup Geek blush brush in circular motions, and when I get to the forehead, I'm going to blend it into the hairline. I'm going to take my NARS Eater brush to blend out the contour on my nose, which is the skinnier brush. And And now I'm going to set my face using my CoverGirl Vitalist powder in the shade Medium Beige. I'm setting everywhere the cream contour isn't, because I'm going to go in with a contour and set that later. I also just got this contour kit and I love it. It's made me so excited to contour. I don't know why I love it. It blends beautifully and adds a very nice contour. I'm in the shade Medium, and I'm just putting that everywhere I put the cream contour. Now I'm taking the banana shade in a stiff flat brush and I'm carving out my contour. I'm just cleaning it up a bit, just so that it's nice and sharp but not too muddy. Now I'm dipping into the two contour shades with a Sigma E40 and I'm putting that into the crease to start to contour the eye. It's a very simple eye look, just really 3 steps. So I'm just using the fluffy brush to disperse it nicely throughout the crease. I'm using the Stila Shimmer and Glow eyeshadow on my eyes and placing a little dot and then blending it out with, right now I'm using the Alpha Eyeshadow C brush, but I do switch to a MAC 242 because I find it packs on the product a lot better without taking away some product. So I'm going back in with more and then I'm going to take my MAC 242 to blend it out. I'm just tapping it to disperse the product, just tapping lightly. Now I'm going to take my Sigma E15 and put some of my black kohl liner on it, and I'm going to line my upper lash line, focusing more on the outer edge to create a little bit more of a doe-eyed effect. I'm not doing a wing, I'm just creating a nice doe-eyed effect. I'm now lining the very outer corners of my bottom lash line, not going fully in, because I'm just going to put mascara on my upper lashes so that the bottom lashes aren't too heavy. It's just a very nice, fresh look. I'm now brushing away the banana powder that we had setting underneath the contour, and it looks all sharp now and very clean. Now I'm going to take my L'Oreal Lumique lotion in the shade Medium, and I'm going to use my beauty blender to pounce it on the skin. I want it to be very fresh and glowy, so I'm using my beauty blender this time. I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy highlighter, and I was having a really good highlight day. I didn't even need Fix Plus. And I'm just placing it on the top of my cheekbones and my chin and a little bit on my nose. I'm taking my MAC and Patrick Star blush in the shade I'm Not Blushing, and I'm applying that to the backs of my cheeks. To melt all the powders down onto my face, I am using the MAC Fix Plus so that everything looks more like skin and less powdery. I'm going over it with my beauty blender just so it doesn't set in water droplets. I want it to be very smooth. I don't want anything to be melting off my face. I'm going for a peachy nude today, so I'm using the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Stepping Out. Just applying that to my lips, and then that'll be it.
for the tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below. DM me. Tell me what you want to see. Tag me in Instagram looks if you recreate this. I'd love to see it. But yeah, so I'll see you in the next one. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next video.